Hey guys, so I don't know how to code it in Python, but I'm gonna try to use ChatGPT to teach me how to code in Python. I have created an account with OpenAI after logging in, and at the chat prompt, I just type a sentence, Python print hello there, then click on the arrow. So here's the response from ChatGPT. He showed me how to print hello there in Python. So in VS Code, I'm just gonna type out that one sentence instruction. .py is the Python file extension. Let's run it. Great, it worked. It print hello there in the terminal. I'm gonna click on regenerate response to see if it output a different kind of code that do the same thing. Give the same code as before. Now I'm gonna ask ChatGPT to give me a Python code that print hello there, but using variable. As you can see, it gave me a couple ways to print using variable. So let's modify the code to use a variable to store the message. After that, print the variable. Oh, great! It print the same message as before. Now we're gonna try another way, is to use the percentage string to print the variable. As you can see, it worked. For the last example, we're gonna use the format to print our string. Great, it worked. The format worked just like the before method, which is a percentage string. Alright, so this little test so that ChatGPT able to show me how to write a simple printing string in Python. We'll have to see how it's gonna handle when you have to generate more complex code. Leave in the comment below what you have done with ChatGPT so far and what you think about it. If you like this video, click a like, subscribe if you're not subscribed by yet, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!